Hello friends, welcome back to our YouTube channel of Alicante Real Estate. My name is Alex and I am delighted to present you this video today in which, like always, we help you to buy, rent and of course to sell properties, real estate properties in our beautiful Costa Blanca region. So here we are again in La Mata. We're in the center of La Mata. We like a lot this place because we worked 10 years, more than 10 years on this area, and we always have a good offers for you to offer. Well, we are in La Mata Beach, already 3 kilometers up to Cabo Cervera to Torrevieja. You have a very wide, big and sandy beach. It's the best beach we have on this area, on our region. And here we have La Mata Center with the hub square of La Mata, all the services, bars, restaurants. Actually is, in my opinion, the best place of La Mata. And on this best place, guys, we will offer you today a big flat, and it's a special location. This flat, it needs to be renovated, but that's why we are recording this video, because the price is very attractive for this area. For 170,000, you can buy a flat on 6th floor, actually 7th floor, because there's one ground floor down, 3 bedrooms, 1 bath, but with possibility to make another bath on there. I will explain it later. So 15 square meters sunny terrace that is has these views to this beach, is southeast orientation. You will have sun all the day, perfect for rent out in summertime and also in winter time because the sunny terrace. 90 square meters inside of surface in the flat. It's pretty big and it has a lot of possibilities. So if you invest 40,000 euro in renovate it, for 210,000 euro you will have a flat of your dreams, modern and all new on this area. It's the best area, seriously, to be in La Mata. Well, let's go to see it more closer. Well, and as I told you before, just in 50 meters from the beach, here we have this building. It's on the Avenue Virgen del Carmen and Avenue from Alemania. And actually they are renovating the facade of the building. As you see, they are finalizing. So aesthetically the building will look new and beauty from outside. And it's located, as I told you, in the first line. Well guys, here we are in the other side of the building Edificio Torremar. We are on the street of Los Delfines, Calle Los Delfines. Here are the playground with football and basketball for the children. And this is the park of Pocoyo, green area. As you see, nothing will be built on this side. There's the beach, only 50 meters. And let's speak about the flat that we will to offer you. The location of this flat is a 6th floor. And for your information, we have 2 more properties, 2 more flats on sale on this building, in the same building. And one is 8th floor. It costs 289,000. It is renovated, but not completely. Imagine if you renovate this one, you will have it completely renovated. And we have another one, 3rd floor, and it needs same renovation. It's not renovated, and the price is 215,000. So imagine the difference. For 170,000, the flat that we are offering today for you guys, investing 40,000 euro, you can have it completely renovated, your style, your design, and completely modern viewing. So let's go to see the entrance. In the entrance, so as you see, looks nice, good conservated, and of course we have 2 elevators that drive us to the next floors upstairs. Also, there is a possibility to buy underground parking, because this building has underground parking, so you have this possibility to get one in the future. Well, we go to the 6th floor. Here we are in the best place of this flat, in this terrace. As you see, it's southeast orientation. You will have sun almost all the day. It's very bright, very sunny, and well, good sized terrace, 15 square meters. As you see, enough place to renovate it and leave it at your style, make a chill out, put a table, dining area, whatever you want. Also, you can put a glass here and convert it in a winter terrace, and you can enjoy this part of the property also in the winter time. Well, now I'm going to show you the inside of the flat, in which we have this good size living room, 18 square meters more or less of space. And as you see, if you sit here, you can enjoy straight these beautiful views sitting at your sofa or having your breakfast. Then we go to the entrance, on which we have this place to leave your shoes or the jacket, a bit of space. That's always good to have it on the entrance. Here we have a complete bathroom, good size bathroom. In the future, there's a possibility to make one more guest toilet, small one, but so you will have two. The bathroom and the guest toilet. Well, following we have the first bedroom with constructed wardrobes and a window that drives us to the back terrace. I will show it later. It's a back terrace that goes to each room. Second bedroom that also have a window and goes to the back terrace. Well, let's go to see the main bedroom. Look at this size. It's very good, nice size. Also has a big window that has same sea views that you've seen before. Very bright, sunny, and of course it has also constructed wardrobes. Let's go to see the kitchen that is located by the end of the flat, and this is something that we think that must to be changed. Our idea is to move the kitchen to the first bedroom and the bedroom to the kitchen and change the places, so the dining area will be together with the living room. So then we have the access to the back terrace. It can be a washing area, you can use it as a helping area, and we will show you that goes to the backyard of the building. That it's very good because you will have a better ventilation and it will be more luminous. So as you see, it's good space, and the idea, if you move the kitchen to the first bedroom, you can make the entrance to this back terrace from there. So let's go to see it more better. The idea is to take this wall out completely and open the living room to this area here. Imagine how much space you will have, extra space, and to throw this wall out of the first bedroom and convert it into an open plan kitchen. So you will have the dining area, the living room and the kitchen all in the same place. You will gain a lot of extra space. Also, you can make another toilet, as I told you. Well, small conclusion. The community expenses of this building are 350 euros per year. The government taxes are 250 euros per year. So imagine if you invest 40,000 euro in this flat, you can have a nice flat with nice views, very beautiful views to the green area, to Salt Lake, to the sea, 50 meters from here. It has a lot of potential, and you can rent it out because it will be 3-bedroom apartment. You can make it 2 baths. You can leave it at your style, your design. You can leave it modern. You can make chill area on the terrace, whatever you want. And investing 40,000 euro plus the 170,000 for 210,000 euro, have a modern, nice flat in the best area that we have in our region. You can rent it out, you can sell it in the future. It's a very nice possibility for investment. Well, share this video if you like it. Share it with your friends, family, maybe somebody that are interested on investing in Spain, in our beautiful region. and take care, be safe, and I see you next time in our YouTube channel of Alicante Real Estate. Bye bye.